CHM-Machinery, professional paper sheeter supplier. CHM, the leading paper products processing solution provider in China. In 2004, the entrepreneurial team of CHM is under the leadership of Chairman Mr. Zhuang Juelin, had the desire to challenge similar products in Europe, and faced difficulties. After more than 10 years of continuous exploration and development, the CHM brand of CHM has grown into a representative of high quality and high innovation in the industry. At present, it can independently produce 3 categories of products with dozens of specifications. Annual production and sales are far ahead. It is one of the drafting units of the industry standard of China's reel cutting machine. Owns the best R&D team and highest number of patent, more than 110 item as the participator of the industry standards. CHM mainly produces equipment for cutting jumbo rolls into flat sheets. CHM single blade series sheeter machine is the technical leader of ordinary single rotation transverse sheeter machine, frequency conversion and servo control mode. The absolute accuracy of cutting is up to international standards. CHM SGT double knife series synchronous double drum sheeter. It is specially developed by CHM for cutting thick paper. Can effectively solve the problem of paper wool, meet the needs of high grammage and high precision, and can be used directly on the printing machine after cutting. A 3, a 4, a 5 copy paper cut size sheeting and packaging automatic production line. Achieved from roll paper to longitudinal slitting, horizontal slitting, conveying, wrapping, box wrapping, fully automated production of palletizing, greatly improved production efficiency. Strength comes from scale. Quality comes from profession. CHM has set up 5 branches in China, respectively are CHM-Machinery Hong Kong Limited, Shenzhen CHM-Machinery, Shandong CHM-Machinery, Dongguan Chunhing Mechanical Technology, Dongtai Chunhing Technology. 3 of the production bases covers an area of 150,000 square meters. CHM factory has produced more than 10,000 sheeting machines. Its strong production capacity not only satisfies the needs of Chinese printing and packaging companies, its sales network covers more than 60 countries around the world. CHM provides one-stop after-sales service, including equipment installation and relocation, maintenance and cleaning. 7*24 all-weather technical expert support. We do all the work meticulously, just to be more effective whenever you need it. Respond quickly and efficiently on site.